Hey, welcome back to DragonTouch. Today we'll be reviewing the DragonTouch Max 10 tablet. The DragonTouch Max 10 is a mid-range tablet with an 8-core CPU, 3 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of internal storage space. It also has Android 9.0, making it a good tablet for those looking for a good basic unit in 2020. The Max 10 is built to be a budget unit that would be a good fit in many scenarios when an expensive high-end tablet is not needed. Let's run down what you get with the Max 10 tablet. The user manual, a USB Type-C charger, and wall plug. The power button, volume, headphone jack, and USB Type-C power port is at the top right of the unit next to the Type-C power port. There's an SD card slot with the symbol on the back of the tablet. The Max 10 supports up to 120 GB micro SD cards. It has both front and rear cameras, with the rear camera being listed as 8MP. 2 speakers are located at the bottom of the unit with small visible holes. The DragonTouch Max 10 is great for basic tasks such as watching YouTube, surfing the internet, or video chatting. It's not a high-end unit such as the Galaxy Note 10 and is built to do basic tasks without breaking the bank. For the money, it's a very good unit and will no doubt be a good fit in many scenarios. If you're a heavy user such as gaming or lots of multitasking, paying more for a high-end unit will likely be better. The Notepad Max 10 comes with the Android 9 Pie operating system, which is smarter, faster, and adapts to you as you use it more. No unexpected ads or bloatware apps. The DragonTouch Notepad Max 10 is a 10-inch Wi-Fi Android tablet with GPS capability. It is powered by a 64-bit octa-core high-performance processor with 3 GB RAM, 32 GB storage, providing a superior experience of entertainment, browsing, games, and shopping for everyone in the family. Max 10 is a GMS certified Android tablet, and you have full access to Google services such as Gmail, YouTube, Drive, Maps, Play Store, and more brilliant apps and content from Play Store, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Netflix, etc. This 10-inch tablet has built-in 32 GB memory and supports up to 128 GB micro SD cards to expand the storage. You can download and keep your favorite books, songs, photos, movies, and games, everything you like in this slim metal Android tablet. It features a vivid 10.1-inch 1920 by 1200 Full HD 2.5D glass IPS touchscreen with dual speakers, dual band, Wi-Fi connectivity, and 10-hour video playback battery life. Max 10 is designed for an improved entertainment experience, delivering a better tablet with high-speed network connections to browse, video chat, play games, watch movies and TV series, and more. On the top right edge of the tablet, there is a USB-C charging port. Behind that port on the back of the tablet, there is a removable plastic cover that conceals the micro SD port. On the right side of the tablet, there is a power button, the volume up and down button, the reset pinhole, the speakers are on the bottom edge of the tablet. The tablet sets up easily and the process was flawless. Every function I tried performed quite well, including the audio and video, and the actual apps. One downside is that the Bluetooth connection does not have the coverage distance or range of Bluetooth 5.0. All the apps I've downloaded and used so far have been pretty good. I won't highly recommend this tablet for gaming, but at this price point, this tablet performs well for the majority of everyday tasks. And it had no issues connecting to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I do notice that sometimes it does weirdly disconnect from Wi-Fi for no apparent reason, but this does not happen consistently, and it reconnects at the first attempt. The touchscreen is quite responsive and much better than the other Android tablets on the market today. In conclusion, we'll give this tablet rating of 9 out of 10 and highly recommend it for anyone looking for a budget tablet for simple day-to-day tasks.